Okay, welcome back to the sixth exercise. In this exercise, we'll try to find the smallest integer in the array. There is no need to read the instructions since the title is already so clear. They will give us an array of integers and we have to return the smallest integer. Here, for example, they gave 34, 15, 88, and 2. So the solution will return 2 since it's the smallest integer here. Same with negative numbers and negative integers. We will also have to return our function will also have to return the smallest value, whether it's positive or negative or mixed. So there are multiple ways to solve a problem, obviously. And in this exercise, I will share two ways to solve this problem, and I want you to share your ways of solving problems down in comments so I can get experience from you too. And also sharing is caring so other people can also gain knowledge from your experience and learn more from your experience. So show me your talents and write down your code, your creative code in the comments. So I'll start with the first one. Right, I'm going to use her first. I'm going to include a library called algorithm, because I'm going to use a function called sort. This function will sort the array for me. Sort, we write then the array name list and begin list dot end. So this little function will sort the array for me. Therefore, I will get an range array from the smallest integer to the largest integer. Then all I have to do easily is return the first integer in the array, which will be the smallest one. Here I returned the first integer, which takes the 0 in the array, because in programming and coding we start counting from 0. Don't forget this, just reminding you. So let's test our program if it's going to work or not. List. Oh, I forgot little parentheses here. Please don't forget them. And here we go. You have passed all the tests. Let's try the other way of solving this problem. As I told you, I'm going to solve it in two ways. In this way, I will start by initializing a variable to the first integer in the array. Note, in this exercise, I will not sort. So the first integer will be a random integer, but it's the first one. Let's call my variable min, and I will set it equal to the first integer in the array by saying list front. I'm initializing min to the first integer in the array. Again, this is not the smallest one. This is just a random one, but it's the first integer. Like for example, in the instruction here, 34 was the first one. Then I'm going to create a for loop that's going to rotate through list and find out the smallest integer. Let's see how. Auto I. This I is going to rotate through list and then going to check if by if I is the smaller than min, then I'm going to update min to be equal to I. So here I'm updating min to equal I because I said if I is less than min. So this is going to check if there's a smallest number, it's going to update it and save it in the min variable that we've created. This loop will continue until we find the smallest integer in the array. Then after this, don't forget to return your value, to return your variable main that you've stored the smallest integer in. So right now, let's try to test our program. Let's see if it's working or not. And here we go. We have passed all the tests. Then we'll do just attempt to check our yeah, we have passed everything. As I said, don't forget to write down your suggested code and let's see whose code is better. Just for fun, yeah. See you in the next exercise.